Have you ever wondered how the solar light can transform your spaces while saving your money and protecting the environment? Yes, in this video we will explore the incredible benefits of solar lights. And first of all, let me tell you how they work. Starting from the basic, solar light works by converting sunlight into the electricity using the photovoltaic cells. Thinking about the benefit of solar light, the first most amazing benefit is cost saving. Do you know that you can save hundreds of money on your electricity bill? Yes, after the initial investment on the solar lights, these lights operate at zero cost, which makes them a financially smart choice. Second benefit is easy installation. Unlike traditional lighting that requires wiring and installation, solar lights are incredibly easy to set up. Just place them where the sunlight is abundant and they will do the rest. And another benefit is they are eco-friendly. Solar light help reduce carbon emission by using the renewable energy. If you are really using the solar lights, you are contributing to a cleaner, greener planet, something we all need to prioritize. Another benefit is they are low maintenance. Solar lights are designed for durability. They are weather resistant and have fewer components to break. Then require minimal upkeep. Just clean the solar panels occasionally and you are good to go. Another benefit is my favorite, that is automatic operation. Forget about the switches. Solar lights comes with sensor which turn that on at dusk and turn that off at dawn, ensuring convenience and efficiency. And another benefit is they work as a security light, because when solar light is turned on and no one is around, it gives you 25% brightness because of the sensor. And when someone came inside of this radar of this light, it gives you 100% brightness, which makes sure that thieves and animals stay away from your property. And another benefit is energy independence. Using solar lights makes you less reliant on the electricity grid. This is especially useful in remote areas or during power outages. Last but not least is the long-term durability. Good quality solar lights last for years, providing consistent performance with minimal degradation. This makes them a reliable long-term investment. Okay, now it's Q&A time. You must be having a lot of questions about solar lights, and most of the people ask questions about solar lights are that what about the cloudy days? Actually, solar light store enough energy to perform several days of operation, so you need not to worry about the cloudy days. And second is, are they expensive? Actually, initial cost is higher, so the long term savings are substantial, so it's a good investment. And third, do they work in all climate? Actually, the modern solar lights are made for various climate, various conditions, so they work in all conditions. So guys, are you ready to make the switch? Actually, solar light are not just a trend, but they are the future. Contact us to explore the best solar lighting solution for your home and business. Just light up your life like a eco-friendly way. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more informative videos like this. See you next time. Thank